This is Geometry Lesson 3.5. Today we're going to be talking about constructing parallel lines. So just a reminder, parallel lines are two lines in the same plane that will never meet. And when you mark parallel lines, remember you want to use the same number of arrows on the lines, whether it be 2 on each or 3 on each. Well, we're going to try and construct parallel lines through a specific point. So there's two methods to construct parallel lines. One is to construct two sets of perpendicular lines. So first you start with a line, construct a perpendicular, and then off of that new line you would construct another perpendicular, creating the parallel line. Another way to construct the parallel lines would be to start with just any old line, and going through your point, create a transversal. You're going to have some sort of angle measurement here, and you're going to duplicate that angle measurement right here, and where you find your arc mark for the intersect, you'd be able to create that parallel line. So that would be for corresponding angles. So we're going to do each kind. So using the perpendicular, so start with a point and a line. So we need to select here, drawing in a line and a point. And we're going to construct a perpendicular. So I'll grab my compass, place my compass point on the given point, and I need to open it wide enough so that it's going to cross that line twice. Now, because I'm going to be making another perpendicular, what I like to do is create a full circle with this one. And then I'm going to place my compass where the circle intersected the line and make an arc mark. And the second intersection point will create another arc mark, and those two will cross. And then I'm going to take my straight edge, connect through that intersection point up through my point. Now I went all the way up through my circle. The reason I did that is because now I can use this circle as my first arc. So I have this new line and my point on the line, and this circle is my first arc that hits that line twice. So now I can go on those two intersections. Let me emphasize those. So this intersection here and this intersection here, and I can make new arc marks, but I need to make my compass slightly larger. And I can either go on the left side here or the right side, doesn't matter, but I'm going to make my arc marks that'll intersect each other. And where they intersect, I'll take my straight edge and connect through to my point. And because these were both perpendicular, that means that my original line and my final line are parallel. Alright, another way that we can do it, let's see here. We can start with our line and our point. And then I can put in any line that I want as a transversal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct a duplicate angle. So this angle in the corner here is what I want to copy. Whoops. So I'll grab my compass, place it in the corner. I'm going to make an arc through that angle. I'm going to take that same size, put it on my point that I want my parallel line to go through, and make an arc above, same size as the one below. And then I'm going to measure that angle's width from the two intersecting points for the angle. And I will take that up here, and I'm going to place it on the one intersection that I have, and I'll make an arc mark. And that arc mark is where I'm going to connect with my point, and that line that I create should be parallel with the one below. extend that out more to the left here. And so I've created two corresponding angles. They are congruent. And because the corresponding angles are congruent off the transversal, the lines are parallel. And these will be the problems that we'll practice for parallel lines.